Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be discussing some more affordable equipment so that you too can start your content creation journey. So if you are interested in videos based around that, just keep watching.
Dig deep down and ask yourselves, who do you want to be?
So if you are not subscribed to my channel, why not? You should be. Go ahead and press that subscribe button and press that notification bell so that you don't miss a video every time I post, okay? And be sure to follow me over on Instagram and all of my other social media platforms. Joby as usual. Go over there. I post daily for daily inspiration, fashion, life, you know, all the stuff. So again, in today's video, we will be discussing some more affordable equipment. And again, affordable is subjective, but I am going to list what I'm using, and then some things a little bit higher price and then some things a little bit lower price. But all of it is going to be very functional, is going to be affordable, and definitely is going to allow you to create really, really good content, okay? So let's go ahead and get into my outfit of the day, because at the end of the day, this is a fashion channel. So in today's outfit of the day, this shirt, it is just a blue jean shirt. I purchased this from, I want to say maybe no, I thrifted this, as a matter of fact. This was thrifted. I have on some kind of tangerine or orange colored linen pants. My mules that I have, let me show you guys. Now how beautiful are those? I keep telling you all, Shein is the place to go for your mules. They are very, very affordable. I think I got 4 pairs for like maybe 40 or 50 bucks. They was offering a 15% off coupon last week that I took advantage of. So I'm wearing those mules today. My jewelry is the same jewelry that I usually wear. This necklace was gifted from one of my children. It was a Christmas gift. My same bracelets that I wear almost every week. I always stack them with different colors. It's going to be listed in my Amazon. Everything that is available will be listed in the description, but this is definitely a part of my Amazon storefront. The earrings I got from Primark. These won't be listed, but I will list something that's similar to this pair. And I think that is about it. We can go ahead and get no ring jewelry, just my regular wedding ring, and no bracelets other than this stack that I have. But other than that, I have my hair back, guys. I'm excited about that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. All right, so the first thing, we're going to discuss stands today, okay? So in today's video, we will be discussing stands and things that I use to kind of just hold all of my devices, such things like that. And everything that I'm using is interchangeable, so you can either put a camera on top of it or your cellular device, okay? So let's go ahead and start with I'm gonna start with this stand. All right, so this is the Joby stand. I got this from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. It was about $25, maybe even $30. It bends. Okay. You can actually put either your phone or a device to hold your phone on here, maybe like a little stand. I'm actually going to show you all what I put on top of here in order to hold my phone or my camera, the camera that I'm using actually, and that's listed in my storefront as well. It twists here to tighten or loosen up everything, and literally this thing, it clamps onto anything. So like if you guys see me and I'm far away, I probably have this clamped onto a chair, a tree, anything. And you guys see how? So this is one, and then it kind of helped me to keep my phone steady or my camera steady so that, you know, I'm not moving it all over the place. This here, it gives me just a little bit more room as far as like being able to hold it either with 2 hands, 1 hand, or sit, or I can also sit it up, stand it up. So if you see like shots of my feet or anything like that as I'm walking, 9 times out of 10, this is sitting on the ground and I have my device sitting on top of it. So this is stand number 1, and it works great, okay? Now let's go ahead and get right into the next device that I use to hold my phone, or a stand holder. We're going to talk about holders and stands today. So let's go ahead and get into the holder that I use to put on top of here. It's the Pivo. It comes literally in this case. You can unzip it. Comes like this. So it comes with the actual Pivo device, and then it comes with a remote control. And it also comes with the charger. The charger, you don't have to charge off. It comes with the charger. Okay. So how this works, again, it turns 360. As you guys can see, there is a little arrow here, like a little level. It's a level to let you know if the camera or whatever device you have on here is leveled. And you basically will put your cell phone in between here, twist it there, and I'm almost positive you can take this off. Let me see. You can take this off if you like, and pop your camera onto there as well. I've never used it with my camera, but you can take that off and pop your camera onto there. And again, it's a 360 device. It spins 360 degrees. This is the on button. And then it should light up. I may need to charge mine, but when it light up, it's going to turn green here. Oh, there we go. It is working. And it's going to come with an app where you can basically control everything from the app, set up everything from the app. And this is the remote control. You can move it around, pause, move the entire device around using the remote control. The remote control comes with 2 batteries. So it requires those batteries, and again, it comes with this here amazing case, a carrying case. This cost me, I want to say maybe regular price is $100. I got it during the Amazon, whatever the Amazon deal day is, Amazon Day. I want to say I may have paid about $60 for it, so it may have either been half off or a good 40% off, but it was a huge discount. You charge it up. And that's how you use it. Also, you don't necessarily have to use the remote control if you don't want to take pictures. You snap and it'll automatically take the picture from you, okay, for you. So you can use that way. Again, you can put it here onto the stand, and that's literally how I use it. So let's go ahead and get right into the next stand. This stand, I use this on my mirror in the bathroom. So when I'm filming any type of beauty content, I simply stick the back of this here. It's a sticky. And then you take it, once you stick it onto your mirror, make sure your mirror is clean, rub it down with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and then you would just push this down, and that clamps it into place. And you can either do it on this side and or this side. It really doesn't matter. Then you would take your phone, do that, stick your phone onto the opposite end of there, take it, and simply clamp it into place. Let me show you guys. This is about as clean as the phone is gonna get, okay? My nieces and nephews was playing with it. So you just simply take your phone, stick it onto the back, stays in place, click it there, take this part, flip it up, and then it's stuck onto there. Take the back part, stick it onto your mirror, and there you go. And of course, you're going to use your vanity lights. Stick your 2 vanity lights onto the top and the bottom of the mirror, and you have your filming device. If you want to film any type of content, as far as like beauty shots, those are more so like beauty shots, to be honest with you. Like if you're doing makeup, hair, such things like that. And this sticks onto anything. It doesn't necessarily stick onto a mirror. You can literally stick it onto the closet if you like. And this is just, it's not clamped into place, but as you guys can see, you know, you can stick it onto anything. Okay? Let me see. Make sure it comes off. Okay. So that's device number 2. Let's go ahead and get into our last and final device. Yes, our last and final stand. That's it. And this is it. It literally comes in a carrying case like this here. So when I'm going outside and I want to take like pictures outside, I carry this with me and I use that device, the Pivo. I can stick the Pivo on top of it, and that's really it. So this is the one that this is my tripod that I carry with me. It's nice and heavy duty. I think I've had this one, and don't quote me on how much this one costs. This is probably the very first tripod that I purchased before I purchased the ring light, if I'm not mistaken. It is. So this is what it looked like. It opens up like this here. Opens up like, I'm not gonna put it all the way together, but it opens up like this. The legs come down, and literally it stands about this tall. Okay? And all three legs come down. Sorry guys. All three legs come down like that. You can open it up as far as you like or as slim as you like. This one comes with this little measuring thing to let you know if your phone is even, or your whatever device you have sitting on top of here. If it's even, it comes where you can move it up, down. And this one here is a 360 turn as well. It actually came with something to put on here that holds your phone in place, but I lost it or I broke it. One or the other. Once I got this, it was like, whatever. Pivo attaches directly to it. Pull it up. Situate your camera in there. And stand it up. I'm trying to think what else this thing do. If you want to move this here around to, it actually gets taller. So if you need it to be a little bit taller. And again, it is a 360 turn, complete turn. You twist this in and out. And I want to say this may have, don't quote me, but I'm posting everything over here with the prices and everything so that you can see how much this one costs. Again, I am going to, and this is how you lock it. That's how you lock it and unlock it into place. I'm going to leave everything listed over here and in the description box so that you can just simply click the link. It'll take you directly to where you can purchase these items from, and you can purchase them directly, okay? Again, I am not getting paid any type of commission off of these. These are actual, everything that you all see, I use. As you can see, these are all devices that I use as far as like the recording devices, anything that I use to hold, to stand, such things like that. I use all of these here devices. Now, the Pivo, again, because it is a 360 turn, it follows your entire body. So you just set it up in the app, whether you want it to follow your entire body, movements, anything like that. The Pivo turns and follows your every move. I would show you guys, but again, I'm trying to make these videos short because they are impromptu Tuesday videos. So I'm trying to make these videos as short as possible, but yeah, this is the tripod that I use when I am going out outside and taking pictures, if I'm doing the pictures by myself. Other than that, best stand that you can have is kids, husband, friends, family, mom, dad, sister, brother, whoever you have that's a part of your production crew that can help you out. So that is bringing us to the end of this video. Be sure to tune in next week I'm going to show you all how I edit my shorts and such things like that. I won't show you guys how I edit. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you guys how I edit my YouTube videos because I use Final Cut Pro, but I will, in that video, I'll leave maybe a couple of videos that taught me how to use Final Cut Pro. I'm still kind of working on it, so I don't want to show you guys something I'm not really super familiar with. Hopefully that'll come a little bit later on in my content creation journey, but in the meantime, I'll definitely leave all of the links that taught me and gave me a few tidbits on how to edit using Final Cut Pro. I have a MacBook, and that's what I use to edit my YouTube videos. As far as my shorts, I record everything from my phone and I edit everything from my phone. So I'll definitely be able to show you guys how to do that, how I do that. So that'll be in next Tuesday's video. Be sure to meet me here this upcoming Friday for Fashion Friday. I thrifted. Yeah, so we have some more thrift store finds, so that'll be this Friday video. So I'll see you guys back here on Friday for Fashion Friday, and next week for Impromptu Tuesday, and we are going to go ahead and get into editing, because I know that's what you guys been waiting for. But you don't have to wait. I want for you all to start clicking that notification bell so that you are notified when I post a video, so that you don't miss out on anything. As far as especially content creation, I don't want for you guys to miss out on any of this. It looks hard, like when I post my reels and my shorts and such things like that, it looks hard. You guys will be surprised on how easy it is. It's harder to, it takes the longest, it takes to film. Editing, once you get it, you got it. It's like riding a bike, okay? So, meet me back here again Friday for Fashion Friday thrift haul, and then next week Impromptu Tuesday for our editing video. What? I did the same thing last week. Anyways, meet me back here. I love you guys. Again, we're growing. So keep sharing, keep commenting, all of that stuff. And if you guys want to see anything extra as far as like Impromptu Tuesday is concerned, whether it be in natural hair, makeup, more content creation, if you don't understand something, leave a comment. I respond to all of my comments. Okay, I don't do you guys like that. I respond to all of your comments. If you have any questions, a dumb question is the ones that you don't ask. Okay. So ask all of the questions that you need to ask. If you want to send me an email or anything like that, my email is also listed in the description box, okay? So shoot me an email if you don't understand something, and I'll definitely respond to that. Again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye-bye.
Dig deep down and ask yourselves, who do you want to be? Not what, but who. I'm talking about figuring out for yourselves what makes